Hey, third grade, we're talking about mixed numbers here. So what if we were in class, I probably would have said to you, what do you remember about the relationship between these equivalent fractions? Okay, we have 2 halves equals 1 whole. 3 thirds equals 1 whole. So if you have a fraction that has 3 over 3, you know you have a whole. It's not really a fraction, it's a whole, right? 3 parts of the whole. So what happens if I had one more third, okay, over here? All right, say I had 1, 2, 3, 4 thirds. What would I have? Well, let's see if it's easier to see if we use our circles. Okay, so we've got one whole right here. Hey, we got one hole. Everything's stuck together, all these magnets. Got one hole. All right, and then say we had over here another half of a circle. What would we have? We would have 1 1/2. That is precisely what a mixed number is. It's a whole plus a fraction. It can be any fraction, okay? So we have fifths over here, okay? Look at these. We've got 3/5. So what if we had one whole, can you see it, and 3/5? So we'd have a whole pizza, and then we'd have 3/5 of another pizza. We'd still need more fifths, wouldn't we, to get another whole? So we have a whole number and a fraction, 3/5. Okay, that's how this works. So we're going to see in our book, in our lesson, okay, some diagrams of mixed numbers. And I want you to write this definition in your book, okay? It's really important that you know it. I hope I can focus on it. Let's see if we can get this to focus. Please press and hold or swipe here for fine zoom. Come on, zoom. No, it's not what it says. It's supposed to be able to zoom in better. I think it's a little blurry. It looks a little blurry to me. No, it keeps going out. Oh, gosh. Technology. Oh, boy. Okay, so a mixed number is a number made up of a whole number and a fraction. Here's the whole. 2 halves is 1 whole, plus a half equals 1, 2, 3 halves. You see that? It's read 1 1/2. Read 1 1/2 as 1 1/2. Okay? Now, you can use a number line to help you write a mixed number. Write the mixed number for the point on the number line as 1 3/4. 1 3/4. Okay? Look at the number line now. We've got 0/4, 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4 equals 1. You see the 1 right there? Right there. And then it has 1 1/4, 1 2/4, 1 3/4, 1 4/4 is 2, because you have 4 over 4 is a full number. So 1 3/4 is between 1 and 2. It's right there, right where the red is. Okay, so look down here. Let's write the mixed number. I'm going to cover that up there. Write the mixed number for each. So this one right here is how many in this pie? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then how many in this pie? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But we only have 5 shaded. So how many is this? 1 whole, and how many shaded here? 5 out of how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 6. So it's 1 5/6. Okay, that's how you do that. All right. Let's look at this one over here. We've got, let's see if I can cover everything. I don't want you to see the answers. 1, 2 whole, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Only one piece colored in, so it'd be 2 1/4. And then down here, you probably looked at it already. we're trying to figure out what that point is. So we have 0/5, 1/5, 2/5, 3/5, 4/5, 5/5 is 1. See the 1 under it? We have 1 and 1/5, 1 and 2/5, 1 and 3/5. And then the last one over here, we're looking for that point right there. So we have 0/8, 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8, 6/8, 7/8, 8/8 equals 1. And then we have 1 and 1/8, 1 and 2/8, 1 and 3/8, 1 and 4/8, 1 and 5/8, 1 and 6/8, 1 and 7, 1/8, 1/8, and 1 and 8/8 is 2. And then we have 1 and 1, well, 2 and 1/8, 2 and 2/8, 2 and 3/8, 2 and 4/8, 2 and 5/8. Okay, so that's how that's done, and I think you can do it. Okay, if you have a question, please try to make it a specific question that you can ask me, something that I can really answer. Okay, good luck, and I'll see you tomorrow.